Hey everyone, it's Margot here, and I want to show you this new quilt kit that we just got in from Moda. It's called Cheer and Merriment by Fancy That Designs House. They have some great designs, and I just love their artwork so much. On this quilt kit, it is 58 by 66, so it's a nice size throw that you can make for the holidays, or you can actually use it as a wall hanging too. So let's look inside and see what's included. The blocks are made, the center of the blocks look like they're pieced, but they're actually pieces of a panel that is cut out and pieced inside these blocks. So there's a lot less piecing to do when you're making this quilt because of the extra blocks that are out of a panel. So let's take a look and see what's inside. So Fancy That has made the pattern, and it is a great pattern that gives you detailed instructions with colored pictures on how to make the quilt kit. Comes with a Moda thank you note. Let's get the fabric out of the box and take a look and see what comes with it. Okay, so the background is a tone-on-tone snowflake fabric. So you got the biggest piece of that. Then the green plaid is the binding, and then the panel that you use for the blocks, the center of the blocks. And then we have all kinds of the greens and blues and reds that go in the quilt kit of the piecing of the cornerstones of the block that go across the block. So when you're piecing it, this is the piecing that you need all those colorful prints inside here for, and the blocks are made with the border print that's inside. This would make a great holiday quilt, and I hope you add this to your collection of holiday decor. Thanks for stopping by, and happy sewing.